What is up, YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I just want to give you guys an update on these two Adidas sneakers. I have with me the Continental 80 as well as the Adidas Lexcon. Both sneakers I've used for quite a while now, and I just wanted to get back to you guys and let you know my thoughts after wearing them for a couple of weeks. Let's go. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you are missing out because we are in the middle of a giveaway. I'm giving away this brand new Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus. That's crazy, right? So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, head on down below, click that subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and while you're at it, please do follow me on Instagram. By the way, I will put a link down below to the actual mechanics of this giveaway. I'll put it in the description box as well as pinned in the comments section. Go! Let's kick things off with the Adidas Lexcon. Now, this came out a couple of weeks back, or I think a month ago, and this sneaker, OMG guys, this is a certified complement magnet, and the great thing about it is that it won't break the bank. I was able to get this, I think, for a little over 7,000 pesos via Commonwealth, one of the sneaker stores here in the Philippines. And OMG, it has gotten a lot of compliments both in the office and when I'm just out during weekends and when I'm with friends. This is a really nice looking shoe. The colorway is something that's clean and fresh, and at the same time, the different elements from the elastic piping to the blue stripes along the side to that, I don't know, like chunky midsole with the arc over here really just draws attention to it, especially when people look at it. Actually, let me correct myself. It's not the type of sneaker that's loud, that will scream for attention, but it is the type of sneaker that once somebody looks at it, they will end up getting intrigued and they will stare for a bit and try to take a closer look at it because it's that good of a shoe up close. Now, that's the good thing. Now, the bad thing about the Adidas Lexcon is I think I mentioned in my previous review that the entire midsole was made from adiprene, which is a fantastic cushioning technology used by Adidas. Apparently, the adiprene is just here in the heel. So, this part is your typical EVA foam, and I felt that a lot while I was wearing it often, that it really wasn't as comfortable as I would want it to be. And I think I also got the sizing wrong. I went through to size on this, guys, and looking back after wearing it now for a couple of weeks, I think I should have gotten a half size up or maybe even a full size up because I just have wide feet. But again, that's just me. Maybe if it's you and you have normal, narrow feet, then going through to size might be the best option for you. But if you have wide feet like me, I think half a size is simply a must. Now, everything considered, I still think that the Adidas Lexcon is an amazing sneaker. It's something that you really don't have to shell out an absurd amount of money for, and at the same time, you get a lot of mileage out of it because it's really, a nice sneaker to just style and wear during casual days. So this one is still 2 thumbs up for me, and I'm excited for the different colorways that are coming out. There's an all-white version. There's a black version with like green piping instead of the transparent white material that's currently used with this one. That one looks sick. I will definitely end up copying that one. So yeah, that's for the first sneaker. This is the Adidas Lexcon. That's my update. Next, we have the Adidas Continental 80. Guys, this is one of the best sneakers, to be honest, that you can buy at 5,000 pesos, within that price range, because it is a timeless sneaker. The design is just so clean and so fresh that it will really stand the test of time. It will look good today, it will look good tomorrow, 3 weeks from now, 4 years from now, 10 years ago. It will just really look good because it's a clean looking, nicely well-built leather sneaker with a red accent along the side. Now, obviously, you have to go for the fresh colorways. When I say fresh, they are the ones that are, well, timeless. You can go with the black one, you can go with the white one, you can go with the cream one or the off-white version. Of course, the newer colorways that came out, I'm talking about the bright pink and the Vault colorway. There was a red version, there was a snakeskin version. Those are well and nice, they're cool, they're cute, but they're not necessarily timeless. So I would actually recommend that you try to opt for the cleaner colorways if you are going for the Continental 80. Now, speaking about new colorways, guys, this is one of the newest colorways of the Adidas Continental 80, and I just couldn't help myself. I ended up buying it from Soul Academy. This one uses some sort of like cream color for the top, and then it has a gum sole at the bottom. You still have that red streak or that red stripe along the side, both on the medial and the lateral side of the sneaker, which gives it a little more pop and more accent. You have the Adidas logo here at the tongue, and you also have the Adidas logo here at the midsole. Now, I said I will give an update for you guys after wearing the Continental 80 for a while, so let me just chime in very quickly. When it comes to the pros, it really is all about the versatility and being able to use it in different occasions, multiple occasions, just because it is fresh. It's easy to style, it's easy to wear regardless if you're shorts and chinos or jeans. It's just a nice all-around versatile shoe. When it comes to comfort, of course, it's nowhere near Boost because it doesn't have Boost. So don't expect for it to deliver like a pure Boost experience or an Ultra Boost experience. It's really far from that. Now, having said that, it's still not bad. So it's not like a horrible, uncomfortable sneaker. An experience that you would normally get with sneakers that are within like 1,000 to 2,000 peso price range. So it's still pretty good given the price that you paid for it and the style that it brings to the table. However, there are two major issues to the Continental 80. First is the fit, the sizing. If you have wide feet, like me, there is a tendency for the shoe not to fit really well and you will be uncomfortable, especially near the tip of the joint of your toe, your big toe. So that's where I had a problem with this shoe because the leather part on this is just punishing because it just keeps on pushing down because of the stitching. So you have to make sure that the fit that you get with the Continental 80 is perfect so you get the most out of it. Otherwise, you'll start to feel like pain and discomfort and fatigue. So that's just something to take into consideration. Now, for me, I usually am a size 12. I would probably go a half size on this one, but I really went all out and went a little bit extreme and went a full size up. Now, I wouldn't recommend that to most of you because most of you probably have like normal, narrow feet. Mine is just, I think, an exception to the rule, and this shoe only becomes comfortable if I go a full size up. So that's what I did. So that's the first problem, the fit. So make sure that you guys try it on before you buy it. Don't just blind buy it online. Make sure that you're able to try it on. The great thing is that there are a lot of colorways of this shoe available in like different Adidas retailers. So just, take a few minutes to be able to check what different sizes and see which the best fit for you. And after that, then by all means, go buy online or buy it from the store that you are checking the shoe out. The second problem a lot of people are complaining about is that it gets dirty easily and it is hard to maintain. Now, I disagree. It's actually easy to maintain as long as you wipe it down every, I don't know, like 3 to 4 times of usage, even if it is white or off-white like this one. So the problem with dirt is that the longer it stays, the harder it is to remove. So my usual style of cleaning the Continental 80 is that I just wipe it down with like crepe wipes every 3 to 4 times of use, especially when I start to see the dirt accumulate along the sides of the sneaker. That's the time where I break out the wipes and clean it down a bit, because this is a sneaker that I think really looks better if it's clean. There are shoes that look good if they are beat up. I personally think that this shoe doesn't fall into that category. I prefer the Continental 80s, or at least my Continental 80s, clean. And that's why I, give them a touch up with the crepe wipes every now and then. So that wraps up my updates for both the Adidas Lexcon and the Adidas Continental 80. At the end of the day, guys, both these sneakers are excellent shoes to add to your closet. The Adidas Lexicon is a nice, affordable, hype, casual, streetwear kind of sneaker, while the Continental 80 is a super versatile shoe that you can wear year long and it will still look good regardless if you, again, are in jeans or in chinos, in pants. It's just an amazing sneaker. So I highly recommend both sneakers that you have here. Both are not necessarily hype. Both are not necessarily hype beast. Both are reasonably priced. Again, this one is at 5,300. This is at a little over 7,000. They're not crazy, ridiculous prices for shoes. And I really think that over time, they will still look good, especially if you take care of them. And they will give you the comfort and the mileage that you want out of sneakers. And that's actually it for this vlog. Guys, let me just remind you again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. I see that I think around 40% of the people who watch my vlogs are not subscribers. You're missing out. I mean, you've probably watched a couple of times now, and thank you for the support, but it would really mean the world to me if you scroll down right now, go to that subscribe button, click it, and then hit the notification bell. And at the same time, you get to be part of our raffle for the Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus. I hope you're all having a great week. Peace, God bless, what's up? You guys know it. Boom.